The Filipino antonyms dami, which is much or many in English, and kaunti or konti, which is few or little in English. Dami, kaunti or konti. Dami, konti or kaunti. Ang dami ng ginagawa ko ay hindi matapos-tapos. It means the volume of my tasks are never ending. So dami is much or many. Ginagawa is like the thing or task. And then hindi means not or never. And then tapos is like end, so it's never ending. Ang dami ng ginagawa ko ay hindi matapos-tapos. Kaunti lang ang pasensya ko ngayon. Or you can also say, konti lang ang pasensya ko ngayon. I have little patience right now. Kaunti or konti is like small or little or few. Pasensya is patience. Lang is only. And then ko is I. And then ngayon is right now or today. Kaunti lang ang pasensya ko ngayon. Or you can also say, konti lang ang pasensya ko ngayon. Madaming nag-apply para sa trabaho. It means there were many applicants for the job. Madami means many nag-apply. It's English, apply, and then para is for, and then trabaho is job. Madaming nag-apply para sa trabaho. Kaunti lang ang natirang oras para sa pagsusulit. Only a few minutes were left for the exam. Kaunti means few or little. And then natira is left, and then oras is time, para is for, and then pagsusulit is an examination. Kaunti lang ang natirang oras para sa pagsusulit, or you can also say konti lang ang natirang oras para sa pagsusulit. And that is all for our Filipino antonyms dami, which refers to much or many in English, and kaunti or konti, which means few or little. Dami, kaunti, konti. Dami, kaunti, konti.